Hey, hello guys, I am Heey. Welcome! Woo! We are back from our holiday. My vacation was pretty nice. I did do nothing because the whole week was rain. Holadi hey hey hey, holadi ho! And I have a package here to show. And okay guys, this package, it's an unboxing. I not looked to it to the product yet. So it means I only look to what's inside because I ordered multiple products. So I know a little bit what's inside because I also order it. And I know what it is, at least it's an Ajazz mouse. Ajazz, Ajazz, I don't know, I prefer to call it Ajazz. So yeah, I don't know how the camera is located. I think like this. Oh, whoa! It's the Ajazz mouse. And I know a little bit of the inside specs, but this is not a review, guys. This is not a review. It's an unboxing, so I only know a little bit inside information. It's an Ajazz AJ390. You can buy it on Aliexpress for 17 or 18 euro. 18 euro. And it has 6 dpi levels. On the internet it says 7 dpi levels, so I'm a little bit confused. It has software that's pretty nice, a 50 million click switch. I don't know if it's Omron, Huano, TTC, I don't know. And of course I forgot something, a knife. Give me a second. Supersonic. I forgot again. I got the knife, guys. A green one, very nice. And it's taped down, probably it's damaged while delivering the package to me. It's damaged probably, but I don't mind. It's all about the inside of the product. So the unboxing, guys, you get another pool of red, and then we see a box and we pull it out. There's nothing more inside. So is there something we need to tell again? Yes, the sensor, an optical PAW 3338 sensor. I don't know if it's a BMW sensor, but at least we don't need the box anymore. Let's see guys. Ooh, I see and spare teflons, pretty nice. I don't think it's 100% PTFE, but at least some spare teflons is always a great thing. That's already a thumb up for me. And then we get the manual. What's on the manual? The functions, because it has software, it said on the box. You can also select for the same as Zoe mice. You can hold the scroll wheel, the side button, and left and a right mouse button to customize your DPI stages or your polling rate. It's all inside this manual, so if you buy this product, you can see it in the manual. Okay, that's pretty nice. Spare Teflon feet and a manual. And then we go to the mouse itself. It was 18 euro, that means very cheap. And I also forgot to place it on my table, the Model O, but I have it there. It's a little bit dusty. You may think, why is this dusty? You need to pre-clean it. I pre-clean it with my mouth. Sorry. I'm a little bit energized today, guys. I shall slow down. So welcome, guys. But immediately when I see this product, I see a cable, of course. And I must say, the cable is quite flexible. Not as flexible as a razor cord or a paracord or a sanded cord, but it's quite flexible and it's braided. So this is a thumb up for me. And it's 18 euro. 18 euro is not that expensive. And what I wanted, a white model as well. One is the Model O and the other is the Ajazz AJ390. 18 euro, 15 euro, 15 euro. It seems almost identical to the Model O, guys. That was not a fart, it was my arms. You can barely tell the difference. I think it's from the same factory. A friend of mine on Discord, Pronin, he said to me probably the same as the Model O. And it looks quite identical, but 4 times cheaper, guys. 4 times cheaper. Chinese companies, we like you. Okay, let me see. the clicks, guys. And normally you may think, why don't you reposition the clicks? It's not a review, I just want to show you. Whoa, just Model O clicks. Pretty solid, pretty solid. How is the side buttons? Ooh, quite clicky. I don't think it's on-ron. But no other brand, even Razer, doesn't include on-rons on the sides, if I'm not mistaken. So they're very clicky. There's a button underneath, probably for the lights. Scroll wheel. Ooh, that's a little bit of failure. Let me feel. Wow, yeah. The scroll wheel is way worse as the Model O. It has not a pronounced steps. It's more like a not free spinning, but you feel a little bit of the steps between. But it's not so pronounced as the Model O. You feel the rattle of the steps of the scroll wheel. And this one more the scroll wheel feels a little bit cheap to me. But I did not test it yet, so maybe in the next review that's coming soon, I will include some more information about the scroll wheel. But 18 euro, guys, I can throw this on the window and still have satisfaction. Woo! Sorry, guys. Okay, let me see. The Dpi Click is solid. The clicks are all solid. Is the shape identical as the Model O? I need not. Yeah, I didn't like the Model O clicks, by the way. I must say I like these clicks more. It also have separated mouse buttons from the shell. It's lightweight probably, I don't know the weight, it's not a review, guys. Check my channel very soon, I will make a review, but let's power it up. So on the USB, it has a cover, a plastic sleeve cover for the USB. It's just white and gold plated. I must say gold plated for 17 euro. Woohoo! That's very nice, I must say. Let's power it up. Supersonic! I say, oh ho ho! The RGB is on the bottom instead of on the sides, while the side buttons are a little bit more placed more above, I believe, on the like in the Model O, and it has wider side buttons, more width instead of the Model O. This is the Model O, guys, and I must say the lighting. Yeah, you see, it's not. Yeah, it's. Yeah. I like it. 17, 18 euro, guys. Whoa! White model. Oh my God, it's my favorite type of model. Sorry, guys, I'm a little bit energetic today. I didn't use drugs. Don't worry, guys. But yeah, overall, my first impression, it's very good. The price, very good. 18 euro, honeycomb design, no honeycomb on the sides, another thumb up, price, lighting, button clicks are nice, a -degree on the scroll wheel for now. I must check it a little bit longer in a review, because I'm not making reviews when the first day I got it. It's not like you can make a proper review. Does it rattle anything? No scroll wheel rattle. Thumb up. Is it squeaking? No, barely squeak. Maybe in a very, very slight one. But I must say, this one even feels lighter as the Model O. Could be me. Maybe my left hand has a different weighting category as my right hand. But I must say, overall, I like the Ajazz because it's 4 times cheaper. Oh my God, guys. It has a manual, nice, decent box. Who cares about the box? Magic Bull says it's a thumb up for now, guys. Check the review very soon and we will give you a more proper insight of this mouse with different camera angles and stuff. You can look a little bit closer if you want. Ooh, RGB. The RGB seems decently cheap, but 18 euro, guys. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Sides, clicks are pretty nice. Scroll wheel. Yeah guys, that was the unboxing. I must say, buy it on Amazon, Aliexpress, sorry guys. Buy it on Aliexpress, 18 euro. Of course the Model O has a better cable, Model O has a better scroll wheel, but overall the rest of the product is, in my opinion, better than the Model O in the first impression. So guys, thanks for watching. I am Heey and I wish you a great day. Bye bye guys, bye bye.